you ready to go for a drive?
That is so nice.
I'm happy you're having fun, Ronnie.
Naja.
So, Ronnie, do you remember when we first came here?
I think it was 2015.
No, it was 2014.
14.
Yeah, and we spent a lot of time trying to figure out which car we'd go back home with if we had the choice. Okay, so Ronnie, if we could take absolutely anything home, I think we should take this lovely Bentley racer from Le Mans back home, all the way from the 1920s. And I think it makes sense because you know how much I love Le Mans and you love having race cars at home, so this would fit very nicely into our garage. What do you think?
I mean, it looks nice, very long, but I think it's too cold because it has no roof. So maybe we should look for something else. I think we should go for something from my childhood dreams.
Okay.
Peugeot 604.
Okay.
And you know what? It reminds me on my childhood because the boss of the DDR, who was it?
Erich Honecker?
Erich Honecker,
Yeah.
He got driven around in that car.
Okay.
So I believe this would be a nice, interesting thing to get back to the old days.
Have you ever driven one before?
No, I was allowed to drive the Trabant.
Okay.
And I'm wondering why he was allowed to drive a Peugeot.
Yeah, it seems like a bit of a double standard, to be honest.
I open the door for you, even if you're the driver.
Thank you.
Have a look at it. Oh, interesting. See, it's a turbo diesel.
In fact, I think it was the very first turbo diesel in all of Europe, the Peugeot 604.
I think they somehow invented or implemented it into Europe. And when you look at the instruments and stuff, it looks like a standard. Because these ones I have seen in even BMWs, I believe.
To be very honest, Ronnie doesn't really like vintage cars. Ronnie likes cars that he can push to their maximum limits, and with vintage cars you have certain amounts of restrictions. So I would say that he's not the biggest fan. He has a respect for them, but I don't think he enjoys driving them all the time.
Vaishali has a quite huge relation to vintage cars, or let's say the past somehow, because she is a reading nerd. Okay, I think we should go. Let's drive.
Okay, shall I? Are you ready to go for a drive?
Yeah!
I would just like to tell you a little something about the cars that I grew up in. So growing up, my dad had, my parents had a Fiat 1100 that was sold in India as the Premier Padmini. I will say the car was very solidly built. It was interesting because you had these bank seats both in front and in the rear, so it was a fun car for the whole family, mum, dad, my sister, me and the family dog, Pixie. And the only thing that I remember other than the fun part is the fact that no matter where we went, you could be sure that the car would overheat at least once, which meant that we'd be parked by the side of the road with my dad trying to figure out where to get some water from.
Yeah, let's check the car.
Okay, holding on tight now.
Let's see if we can go a little crazy. I think the suspension is quite old also. Because you can see that it's going to the end.
Yeah.
And not really being a suspension, it's more...
Honestly, I felt a couple of times like we were going to tip over.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm afraid that this can happen.
This can happen, yeah, so please, let's not do that. So here we are at the Grosdalen test track, and we're here for a very specific reason. Ronnie's told me so much about the fact that he used to be a chauffeur before he became a stunt driver, which is something I find hard to believe because, as you all know, chauffeurs have a very measured way of handling the accelerator pedal, unlike Ronnie over here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to sit in the back of this lovely Peugeot 604 and I'm going to hold a glass of white wine in my hand. Ronnie's challenge is that he has to drive me through a slalom as I sit behind him, and he has to make sure that he's so smooth that not a single drop of wine spills from the glass.
And to specify, to make it a challenge, Vaishali will set the reference time. So she will drive in her first loop, and I am allowed to distract her with some questions. That is the only thing I can do. Her time will be my time, but including the challenge of not spilling any wine in the car. So in that way, let's do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Vaishali. What is my favorite movie?
Forrest Gump.
Very good. How many horsepower does this car have?
80.
Okay, which spacecraft was allowed to land here at Grosdalen?
The Buran.
Oh, very good. Good stuff. So, that is the time to beat for me.
3, 2, 1, go! Who designed this particular racetrack, the Grosdalen track?
Who designed it? Hermann Thielke.
On July 23rd, 2018, one of Vaishali's childhood dreams came true. What did she get to drive and where?
Once again. Say again.
In July 2018, one of my childhood dreams came true. What did I get to drive
Formula 1
and
car.
where?
Formula 1 car.
What Formula 1 car?
Renault Formula 1 car.
Where?
In what is it called? Not Magny-Cours.
Okay, next question.
Yeah, next question.
What was the first car that we ever took our road trip on?
Crafter.
Stop. 48. 48. Not bad.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so we had a really interesting challenge where technically Ronnie beat me on his second time run, although I only got one time run. Ronnie's time was 48 seconds as compared to my 51 seconds, but he didn't answer a lot of questions correctly in both runs. For me, the irony is the fact that my version of spirited driving sort of leads to the same time as Ronnie's version of calm driving, which is a reflection of the differences in our personalities. And Ronnie, what would you like to add?
Yeah, it was finally a 48.4, and I must say and admit I got 2 chances, so that is a little bit unfair because the tone was not running. Okay. But I think in total it's equalized, so we can both...
you didn't drop any wine, which counts.
Absolutely, so we can both take a sip.
Okay.
Straight, straight, straight.
So another car lovers challenge ends in a tie.
Exactly.
And they got Hannike's Peugeot home safely.
Stop, stop.
Tune in next time to see what Vaishali and Ronnie get up to on 4 wheels.
And reverse into this slot.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, continue, 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 continue. Back, back, back. And stop. I think we stop the cameras.